Good evening and welcome to the news. Here are the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Mauritius counterpart virtually launched key development projects in Mauritius. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tson lays foundation stone for 1 kilometer road at Tson Nongbri Ribhoi. Over 80,000 students to appear for SSLC and HSSLC examinations 2024. Social Welfare Minister released Khasi translation of POCSO Act 2012 Ikindon Aang Bakongsan. And police and intel well equipped to take challenges against militancy, says Rakam A. Sangma. The news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Mauritius Pravind Kumar Jugnauth today inaugurated a developmental project at Al-Galega Island in Mauritius. Both the leaders inaugurated the project through video conferencing, which includes new airstrip and St. James Jetty along with 6 community development projects. These facilities will enhance air and sea connectivity, strengthening maritime security. It will also give boost to socio-economic development of Al-Galega Island. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi termed the India-Mauritius relationship vibrant and unique. He said Mauritius is an important partner of the India's neighborhood policy. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tson on yesterday laid the foundation stone at Tson Nongbri Ribhoi for a 1 kilometer black-topping road sanctioned by the government at an estimate cost of Rs 90.61 lakh. Addressing the gathering, Deputy Chief Minister expressed his delight at witnessing the fulfillment of the villagers' aspirations. He emphasized the state government's commitment to prioritizing deserving rural development projects. In a parallel endeavor, on the same day, the Deputy Chief Minister inaugurated the newly constructed community hall in Nongkra village funded by the SRWP scheme through the urban development.
Program ini kan ông đã mình tôi tăng cao sao nông tri, lấy cả mình tôi cả thành riêng hồi bờ rồi. Beli ngau phi cái đồ thiệt đồ đem nhiều cái sọc nạp bộ nông bộ đen, xuân bộ, nama ngai cái đây cái lifeline ông phải. Ya kan ke area ka thain baroko te ka first phase mentangin sedang muslim shu pengin sedang shuaban poi haunde ka first phase ka begin lamba jong kata ka donor ministry ka donor scheme bat ka baar bat pendet hadu ang te penihat nganle napo ka world.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma informed that a total of 55,189 students will be appearing for the secondary school leaving certificate examination and 34,335 students for the higher secondary school leaving certificate examination, which will commence from the 1st and the 4th of March. Addressing the media persons, the Education Minister said Meghalaya Board of School Education is well prepared to check if there is any attempt for question paper leak. There will be police officials, flying squad, supervising officers to monitor all measures taken for smooth conduct of the examination. He also informed that there are 108 centers for HSSLC examination and 159 centers for SSLC examination across the 12th district of the state.
28,072 students will be appearing for SSLC examination and 2,812 for science, 2,440 for commerce. Total 34,335 students will be appearing for SSLC, both science, commerce and the arts stream. And for SSLC, 55,189 students will be appearing for SLC examination 2024. I want to convey my best wishes to all my students, those going to appear for final exam in SSLC and SSLC, both science, commerce and humanities.
Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights today organised a program for the release of a Khasi translation of POCSO Act 2012, Ki Kindon Ain Bakong San, at Pinewood, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Minister in charge of Social Welfare, Paul Lingdo, today claimed that there is a rampant child marriage in Meghalaya. Lingdo said that child marriage is a serious situation and the state government contemplates to bring a legislation to help the government to put an end to child marriage. He further added that the department has done extensive research and there is a need to create huge social awareness, and today's program is a step in that direction. Following the second release on social media by a group which claimed to be the GNLA regrouped, the NPP legislator and cabinet minister Rakam A. Sangma said that the intelligence and police are doing their job and they are well equipped to take up challenges. Further, Sangma has denied that unemployment is the root cause of militancy in Meghalaya. Talking to media person, Sangma said that the state government has taken up various initiatives for the youth of the state and unemployment is no more the cause of militancy.
But I don't know how true it is, but our police, our diligence is doing the due process and we are yet to identify, but we are well equipped enough. But no, I don't agree. Yes, there's an issue of unemployment, but in view of the unemployment, the going to the militants is not the solution, it's not the answer for them. So I don't think so. This is not the root cause of the issue. We have lots of programs. CM Elevate, Yes program, Yes Meghalaya, Prime program, Skill Meghalaya. There are many programs that have been launched by the Honorable Chief Minister for the youth of our state.
Just ahead of the Lok Sabha polls, the Congress party launched a scathing attack on the BJP government at the centre, terming it as the most corrupt and unjust for rolling out injustice after injustice to the people of India. Addressing a press conference at the Congress Bhawan Shillong, Congress National Spokesperson and National Media Coordinator from North East, Matthew Anthony, said that the major injustice meted out by the BJP to the people of the country are economic, social and political apart from unemployment. Meanwhile, the AICC leader also divulged that not willing to go for a seat sharing as part of the understanding under the India Bloc Alliance, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala is in discussion with the AICC to put up candidates in both Shillong and Turad seats.
Performances were because in the coming elections, Meghalaya has got 2 seats. We want to bring this injustice to the people of Meghalaya. We want them to think, we request them to think with an open mind. Never fall for this jingoism, never fall for these lies, the blatant lies. Think like an ordinary person. What if this happens in your family? What if this happens with your parents and your children? Won't you think and make a logical decision? And Congress as a party has always fought for the people. We might have made mistakes while we are governing because it's natural to have mistakes, but we never ran away from it. We tried to correct our mistakes and we tried to govern this country with people in our mind. We are absolutely confident that it is the people who are going to elect us again, and that's what exactly we want to say.
The Regional Democratic Alliance, comprising of the United Democratic Party and Hill State People's Democratic Party, yesterday organized a public meeting at Dolun Market, Southwest Khasi Hills District as part of the campaign of the upcoming MP election. Speaking at the meeting, RDA candidate Robert June Kharja-Arin said that more than 35 years, the people of Meghalaya has put their faith in the national parties, but unfortunately they have not been able to solve even the issue of border dispute and has failed in overall development of the state. Kharja-Arin also said that it is time for the parties to rise up and for the people of the state to put their faith once again in the regional parties.
Ya kabanyada, ya kakandau kasih, ya kakien kakalik, bat ya wakur kajat, nilang penmakla. Bamai ke kipatan mentah, Ya kai ke ba kilong shua kila hikai yang ni ban pendek pensa ya kami. Ailang hati kawan, ailang hati kadiang nyeng ya ka ban yele nang ta jongki.
The district medical and health officer in Ribhoi took a proactive step towards raising awareness about polio immunization for children under the age of 5 by organizing a sensitization rally at Nongpo. The polio immunization drive is scheduled to take place in March 4th, 5th and 6th across the entire Ribhoi district. The rally saw active participation from school, children and health workers with banners and placards to effectively communicate the importance of polio immunization. District Health Education Officer G. Warjri urged patients, parents, village leaders and all concerned citizens of Ribhoi to come forward and recognize the significance of polio immunization for infants and children up to 5 years old. She emphasized that collective cooperation is crucial in eradicating polio from the district.
Sanksnem karta bikin wanya lam ikhlo shakito ki polio booths ki banglabo hagi banta ki baper hajan ki area jumpi hajan ki shnong jumpi baphinya ai ki ki polio drops ki khun jumpi khnang bigin long ki khun ki bashat bakhlan hadin habor bad bakin mo ayo knyam jingpang polio.
In an effort to combat tuberculosis within Ribhoi district as part of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, the District Tuberculosis Officer's Office organized a meeting today at Birnihat PHC where nutritional food was distributed to TB patients. Speaking at the event, local MLA Sostenes Sotun commended the collaborative efforts of the central government, state government and health department in combating tuberculosis. He stressed that the importance of collective responsibility in eradicating the disease, urging patients to cooperate fully with health authorities. Others who are present in the program included District Medical and Health Officer Dr. T.S. Momin, District Tuberculosis Officer Dr. E. Kalwing, and representative of the companies who have pledged to support TB patients by providing nutritional food throughout their treatment.
But kadai tang kajung pesta kajung pi but di ikidawai but bam ikijung bam ki batai kabala bang ila ban ong bagila ban rat ki dungkhong ha ki bidai but kene ki justom ki bi.
The weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 17.7 degrees Celsius while minimum temperature recorded is 7.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 55%. Whereas in the evening, 67%. Light to moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we come to an end, let us look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Mauritius counterpart virtually launched the key development projects in Mauritius. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tson lays foundation stone for 1 kilometer road at Umsao, Nongbri, Ribhoi. Over 80,000 students to appear for SSLC and HSSLC examinations 2024. Social Welfare Minister released Khasi translation of POCSO Act 2012 Kikendon Ain Bakongsan. And police and intel well equipped to take up challenges against militancy, says Rakam A. Sangma. That's all we have for you today. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Good night.